know I got you, bro.
I got you! I got you! Right in the leg!
Hey, they're in the UN van.
I got, man, I can see it bounce off your fucking leg!
Hey, you guys can only use the vehicles when covering you.
Whatever! Hey, Steven.
Huh.
See that guy standing right there?
Yeah.
Shoot him. Can you?
I don't know. No, not with the trees. No, not if it hits your gun. Aim it to the left a little bit. Ooh, to the right, just a hair. No.
It's the wind, man, in these
I know. To the left. That wind's blowing towards us to the right. Ooh, that's a hit.
I got you again!
Come on, dude.
Fuck, man!
Come on! I'm moving. That should be great. No. Hey, right here, right here. See my red shipping crates? Look at right where I'm shooting. He's on that corner right there where I'm shooting. Watch that. Stay low. I'll watch your 12 right here. You watch that red shipping crate. He's right on the other side of it. Mike!
Hey, Mike's over there.
Is he over there?
We need him to go around and snipe him.
Is white shirt out of there still?
Yeah, dude in the white shirt?
Yeah, he's
Yeah.
about to get in trouble.
Cheating? How many I gotta hit you with, dude? Are you kidding me?
When he ran over there, I went fully
Yeah.
on him, and he was ball.
Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. I'm not. What? I know. Okay. You wanna, if you shoot him, I'll jump over this wall and get on the blue Connex right here, and I'll be facing level with him. Hold on though. You guys watch this red shipping crate right here. There's a dude in that corner. All right, shoot that way, shoot that way. Got you, bro. Don't. You gonna call it? I would put on auto, dude. I know, I hit him too. He's out. Bet! I banged one of you. Go around the other side. There's 4 of them looking at me. Right here, I got 4. Go around, go around. Go ahead.
Even 10 feet, I feel so happy.
I gotta tie my shoe again. Fucking thing.
I just sprayed some kid in the chest.
I murdered him.
Hey. Yeah, right there.
Watch the woods, watch the woods.
See him covering this? Woo! Hello, Daddy!
Watch out. see him right there. Hey, hey, hey! Watch right over here. He's on the other side of the creek. He just ran. Yep. I know, I got him. Last mag. So hot right here, dude. Air conditioning. Did I hit you, bro? Because you ducked pretty low. No, he's not. He's freaking crawling. Dude, I hit you. What are you doing? Come on, bro. All right, I will now. I got 5 people that are watching me hit you. Danny, let's go, bro. I need you. Oh, that's wet. All right. Yeah, you take your pants off and I'll take mine off after. I got 5 or 6 over here. Danny. Or 9 o'clock. He's creeping up on the way outside where the UN vans used to be. What? They're way out there where the UN vans used to be. Hey, hey, he's creeping up.